So welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the south coast on the Dorset-Hampshire border, and we're not far from Christchurch Harbour, which is just over there, and we are revisiting this outdoor kitchen which we recently completed. The barbecue's just arrived. I'm going to be showing you how we built this, everything that we used to build it, all the appliances that we put in there, and the process that we use. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around and we'll dive in. So as you can see, this is a U-shaped kitchen, or a C or a G or something. So, well, you can see what shape it is. The kitchen itself is made of concrete blocks, so it's just a concrete block construction built out along here. So there's nothing on the wall. On the walls, we literally have some metal trims that go along to support the worktops. On this section here, along the front, this is all concrete block work. Behind here, all the way along here, and then around here and this part here to create this island. We've used on here, this is called a monocouche render. So this is a coloured render. So once it's on, there's no need to paint it or do anything to it. The colour is in the render, and once it's on, that's it, it's finished. So like I say, so you've got the concrete blocks, then you've got the render finish on it after that. We've got these 30mm black granite worktops. These are like a matte finish, so they're a really nice sort of honed finish, we call it. It's worth noting also, if you look down here, and I've not mentioned this before, but we've got a vent down there, like a grill. So what that is wherever you have a gas bottle or a gas source, you do need to put some holes in there to allow, if there's ever a leak or anything like that, you need to have somewhere for the gas to come out, because if you imagine that is an enclosed space in there, if you have a leak in there and it builds up, it's gonna be dangerous. So if it's propane, and this is quite important, if it's propane or bottled gas, you have the vents at the bottom. If it's natural gas, you have them at top, because propane is heavier than air, natural gas is lighter than air. So bottled at the bottom, natural at the top. So we've got one there, we've got one down here. So this section here I really like. This is just an island section that the customers can have their friends and family sat over there while they're cooking, and it's a really social space. They can talk to them and they can cook at the same time. Originally we had this island up here. It was probably 200-300 mil higher than it was now, to create like a bar area. But what actually happened is when we created the block work had first gone in, this was up high, and what it did is it blocked the view into the kitchen. So we decided with the customers that we were just going to lower it down, and I think that was a really good idea, because now it gives it a much more open feel. So let's have a look at all the appliances and the doors and the features that this has got now. We'll start with this barbecue over here, which is the Beefeater 1500 series, which is a brand new barbecue. So this barbecue is the Beefeater 1500 series, which is a brand new barbecue that has only just been released into the country, into the UK. It was due to come out a year or two ago, but because of COVID and other delays around the world, it's only just been released. So this one here is actually one of the first ones that has been installed in the UK, which is really exciting for the customers. And I think they're going to be cooking on it this weekend, so they will be one of the first people to cook on one as well, which is very exciting. Looking at the barbecue itself, an amazing design. It's such a sleek looking barbecue. It's got a stainless steel hood. It's got almost like a timber fascia handle and a timber fascia here. It's not timber, obviously. I think it must ceramic or something like that, but it looks really nice, and there's nothing else like this on the market. You can lift it up. You've got your warming shelf there. You've got your cast iron griddles and pan there. 4 burners. And then, but this is the most exciting thing. This here drops down, and then you've got your 4 control knobs there, which are really nice. You can really see how good they are. Really good quality. That literally goes up there again. This comes down, and it just looks really smart. So as you've probably seen before, underneath the barbecue we have the Beefeater stainless steel double doors, and these are used for storage and for keeping your propane tank in. come along there. Again, you can see down there now we've got the stainless steel grill air vent. This is the Alfa 1 oven, so which you've probably seen me talk about before. This is a pizza wood-fired oven that will hold one pizza at a time, or one oven dish. It takes about 25 minutes to get up to heat, and then you're looking at about 90 seconds to cook a pizza, something like that. I have actually done a review on this oven in our showroom, so if that's something you want to watch, I'll leave a link up here. You can click on that and that will take you to the review. So coming around to here, we've got some Beefeater stainless steel double drawers, and these are just used for storage. Really good. You've got the cover for the pizza oven in there, one there and one there. Coming around to here, you've got a stainless steel tap and sink. So normally we would just put in a single bowl in here, but the customer has a floristry business and she wanted to have a bigger sink here that she could use for washing the flowers and everything else, and so it's got this really nice tap here which can pull out and spray around. It has got hot and cold water as well, so just behind that wall there is the utility room. So we ran hot and cold and a waste along here inside the units around to here. We put insulation on them so they don't freeze in the winter, and so they've now got hot and cold water out here. Underneath here, again, just a Beefeater double stainless steel doors. That gives you access to the trap and all the water and everything for the sink, and also more storage for keeping maybe logs or something like that for your oven. And so right here, as you've probably seen in previous videos, is the Beefeater stainless steel double fridge with the glass doors here. You've got plenty of storage in there. You can keep all your food, keep your drinks in there. I think the customer keeps flowers in there as well. You can see from this view now, you can see this is the island here, so there's plenty of space. This is about 900mm wide, this island worktop. So, and it's got an overhang at the back here. Friends and family can sit here and chat. It's a very, very social space. So hopefully you got some value out of that. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel. We try and post one of these videos every week just to show you the kitchens that we're doing. Please like the video if you've enjoyed it. And if you want to see other pictures and videos of things that we're doing up to date, we try and post on our Instagram channel once or twice a week, and we also have a Facebook page as well. So go ahead and check those out if you want to see those. So thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.